Alright, here you can see a complete wooden frame. So this is a solid wood, and I'm doing the acrylic painting on top. You can see some basic colors, the blue and green and the orange here. And I'm going to paint a particular scenery here for this purpose. First, let's draw the uphills here. So the drawing has to be merged with the total context and the shape of the frame. That's why the scenery which I'm going to draw is going to be different than the others drawings. So let's see how much fine we can draw. So I'm going to adding up colors for the mountain highlands. So I'm going to put a height here, on top. So putting the bright green color to show the mountains clearly, so you can see it from the picture. Okay, so this is done. Now the next step is that I'm going to add some haystacks and other stuffs, which is the usual household items for the rural area when people do their lifestyle and their livelihoods. So for the haystacks I need something color which is looks like almost the wooden shape. So let's see, just putting the wooden shape here. That's a quite a long area I can see. Okay, so you can see that the background is of darker color and also haystacks is of darker color, so there's no difference if we put two darker colors together. In this case I have to add some yellow to separate the haystacks from the surroundings. So adding up it to the borders. Okay, putting it to the borders, just some little drops, and then putting it like the hatches inwards so that it defines the haystacks. Now it's little bit visually clear. All right, the next thing is that if I want to draw a house, then I have to put the rooftop and the house details. So let's see, just putting some colors at the top and another colors here. So it's going to be two deck house, the mountain house. Awesome. All right, okay. And the rooftop here, it's particularly getting taller as it goes higher. So the upper floor is narrower than the lower floor, and the house is extendable here up to here. Then I am going to put a long deck to the forward positions. Okay, long deck comes up to this corner, adding some railings. Okay, and you can see the pillars going up to the bottom. Also you can see the pillars here. There's the characters of the mountain housings, some grasses and other trees you can see in the bottom. All right, now what we need is to do the details of the houses with a little darker color, with the wooden color, as I assume here. So putting the borders. All right, and the upper floor is the narrower as you have seen before. adding some windows, which is just I'm drawing is in a graphical context, so that's not the whole details, but we understand the locations of the windows. And some shades from the rooftop, you can see, putting some shades from the rooftop, which shows that this is a inclined house. Okay, so for the hashtags we are going to draw here some, something looks like a fence. So the fence may be in several stages, the upper fence and the lower fence. So I'm taking the white color, drawing the fence from here. Putting 3 strokes. Okay. All right. And again, you can see here the pins going upwards. 2 pins. There's the mountain designs, and putting the grass here. So that's almost complete the nice one, the haystack. So yellow. Now I'm putting some white color to make it a brighter. All right, and putting some stars in the sky. So it's a night sky. All right, and a bigger moon. Just we're going to make it as round as possible for the convenience of the drawing. Okay, let's do a little detail on the rooftop. Putting the white color. And the mountains landscape, we're just putting little bit hatches just to show the locations of the slopes, defining the slopes. All right, and little bit variations here in the drawing. Awesome. And the drawing is almost finished. Okay, so this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.